They knelt in prayer and defiance. George Floyd's family outside the courthouse in Minneapolis ahead of opening statements.
Today starts a landmark trial that will be a referendum on how far America has come in its quest for equality and justice for all.
But inside the courtroom, both the prosecution and the defense insisted this trial was not about policing in America, rather that it was about one police officer, Derek Chauvin. He's pleaded not guilty to charges of second-degree murder and manslaughter, plus a recently added charge of third-degree murder. Prosecutors now say he knelt on Floyd's neck for 9 minutes and 29 seconds, longer than the 8 minutes and 46 seconds that had previously become a global rallying cry.
This case is not about split-second decision-making. In 9 minutes and 29 seconds, there are 479 seconds, not a split second among them.
In his opening statement, the prosecutor played the full bystander cell phone video that first catapulted this case into the national consciousness. Floyd's nephew walked out of the court's overflow room.
Had you seen that video before?
I've seen bits and pieces. I still to this day haven't watched it in full. As they showed Chauvin kneeling on his neck and like kind of repositioning, and just hearing my uncle ask for help and say he couldn't breathe, I couldn't watch it.
But Chauvin's defense attorney pointed to other videos, the body cameras worn by the officers, which he says will show the full interaction between Floyd and the police.
The evidence will show that Mr. Floyd died of a cardiac arrhythmia that occurred as a result of hypertension, his coronary disease, the ingestion of methamphetamine and fentanyl, and the adrenaline flowing through his body.
You swear or affirm on penalty of perjury.
The first witness, a 911 dispatcher who testified she watched the encounter unfold from this nearby security camera shown publicly for the first time. For several minutes, she noticed the officers had not moved, and she first thought the screen might be frozen.
Something wasn't right. I don't know how to explain it. It was a gut instinct to tell me that now we can be concerned.
Gabe, were any more witnesses called late today?
Yes, Lester. Prosecutors called 2 more witnesses late today, bystanders at the scene as they try to paint a clearer picture of the last few moments of George Floyd's life. This trial is expected to last 2 to 4 weeks.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.